Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we dive into the world of market data and help you make informed trading decisions. Today, we're focusing on Intel Corporation, INTC, stock, a company that's been making headlines recently. As we can see from the one-day chart, Intel has experienced a significant downward trend over the past year, with the price dropping from around $45 to its current level of $22.52. This decline can be attributed to a number of factors, including the shift towards AI and the increasing competition from companies like Nvidia. The removal of Intel from the Dow Jones Industrial Average, replaced by Nvidia, is a clear reflection of this industry shift. On the one-hour chart, we can see a more detailed view of INTC's recent price action. Over the past few weeks, the price has been consolidating around the $22 level, indicating that buyers and sellers are currently in a stalemate. However, if we zoom in on the last few days, we see that there has been a slight upward trend, suggesting that buyers are regaining some momentum. This could be a positive sign for the short term, but it's important to remember that the overall trend is still bearish. On the 15-minute chart, we can see that the recent upward trend has been driven by a series of higher highs and higher lows. This suggests that buyers are becoming increasingly confident in the stock. However, it's important to note that the volume has been relatively low during this period, which could indicate that the move is not yet sustainable. Therefore, it's crucial to watch for any signs of a reversal in the short term. If we look at the daily chart, we can identify a few key price levels to watch. The $22.50 level has been a strong support level in recent weeks, holding the price from further decline. If the price breaks below this level, it could signal a further downward move. On the other hand, the $25 level has been a major resistance level in the past. If the price breaks above this level, it could suggest that the bearish trend is reversing. Looking at the one-hour chart, we can see that the $22.50 level has been a strong point of support over the past few weeks. The price has bounced off this level multiple times, indicating that buyers are stepping in to support the stock at this price. If the price breaks below this level, it could indicate that the bullish short-term momentum is fading. However, if the price can hold above this level, it could signal a continuation of the upward trend. The 15-minute chart reveals a few interesting candlestick patterns. We can see a few bullish engulfing patterns, which could indicate a short-term reversal. However, it's important to watch for confirmation from other indicators before entering a trade. For example, if we see increased volume accompanying the bullish engulfing patterns, it would strengthen the signal. Conversely, if the volume remains low, it could indicate that the move is not sustainable. Therefore, it's crucial to wait for confirmation from other indicators, such as moving averages or momentum indicators, before entering a trade. Overall, the chart data suggests that Intel is currently in a state of consolidation. The long-term trend is still bearish, but there is some short-term bullish momentum. The $22.50 level is a key support level to watch. If the price breaks below this level, it could indicate a continuation of the bearish trend. However, if the price can hold above this level, it could signal a short-term reversal. In the long term, INTC's future will likely depend on its ability to compete in the rapidly evolving AI chip market. The company's acquisition by Tenstorrent could be a positive sign, but it remains to be seen how effective they will be in developing competitive AI chips. Investors should closely watch INTC's progress in the AI space and any news that could impact the company's future.